Say it again. You're gonna fall over. And then you clap your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how does it go? Open something. What? How it go?
Open the gate. Open the
Oh, okay. All right. I just wanted to know how it go. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. It might be easier if you get out of the chair. You think? No? Oh, you got frosting on your hand. We'll give you a bath, okay?